December, I think it was November or December last year, His Royal Highness the Crown Prince visited Korea, and he was like biggest event in Korea. Actually, it was the celebrity of the year, and that means actually how the Korea actually see the Saudi and new Saudi vision, and how we are also excited with this vision together. And one of the things from the Korea side, since we have China and we have US, you can see that my mother is from North Korea and my father is from the South Korea. And we are squeezing these big powers. And we believe that Saudi and also the region can play the big role in actually positioning in this geopolitical actually tension and also the issue, and how actually we work together, like His Excellency say, is that at the end of the day, what we want is a human value. What we want is about the peace together. And there are actually so many things happening today in Korea and also the Saudi. But one of the examples that we did in previous, like 2 weeks ago in Davos, and we worked with actually Aramco to discuss about how the carbon reduction can be done using the technology, and also this can be also vehicles to do the manufacturing powers in Korea, and all this, the collaboration can bring the force to the prosperity in the regions, at the same time prosperity in not just about the GCC regions, but also in Asian regions. So we look forward to the further collaborations, and I believe that there will be a lot of good things will come out.